So in this video we're gonna see how we can swap two numbers in Python. So there are multiple techniques that we can use to swap two numbers. So first of all, we're gonna see how we can use the traditional method. So in traditional method we use the temporary variable. So suppose we have variable A with the value 1 and the variable B with the value 2. Now to swap them in traditional method we can use one temporary variable. So we're gonna create the temporary variable and we're gonna assign the value of A, and then A will have the value of V, and after that B will have the value of the temporary variable. So this way the value of A and B will be swapped. So now if we print them, so if we print A and B and if we run this, so here those numbers are swapped. Initially A having 1 and B having the value 2, now their value is swapped. And also we can swap these variables without using any third variable by using mathematical operations. So here first of all A will have the value of A plus B, and after that B will have the value of A subtract B. Again we're gonna assign A with the value A subtract B, and now after these mathematical operations the value of A and B will be swapped. So if we print them and let's run this, so here you can see again their values are swapped. Now we're using mathematical operations to swap those variables. And also we can perform the bitwise operation, so we can use the bitwise XOR operation. So first of all we're gonna perform XOR operation, so A XOR B, and we're gonna store the result in the variable A. Now after that B will have the value, so again we're gonna perform A XOR B, and then again we're gonna assign A with the value A XOR B. Now after performing the bitwise XOR operation, the values of A and B will be swapped. If we just print them, so again you can see the values are swapped, but this time we are using the bitwise XOR operation to swap those values. Now lastly we can use the Python's unique tuple swapping technique. So this is the simplest way to swap two numbers in Python. So here basically, so we're gonna assign values in a single line, so A comma B, and then we're gonna assign the values from B comma A. So here A will have the value of B, and after that B will have the value of A. And now if we print them, so again we're having the same output. So this tuple swapping is specific to Python only, and here you can see it is very easy to read. So this way we can use different techniques to swap values of two variables in Python. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.